What's the meaning of crumpled? Crumpled. Crumpled.
Crumpled. Crumpled. Crumpled refers to something that has been crushed or folded into a disordered, wrinkled shape. When an object is crumpled, it often loses its original form and becomes difficult to straighten out. The result of crumpling can vary depending on the material and the amount of force applied, but it usually creates an uneven texture with creases and folds. For example, a paper that's been crumpled might have torn edges and a flattened, uneven surface, while a piece of fabric might have permanent wrinkles and loose fibers.